Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Shimmers and Polishes. If you are new here, I create eye makeup, nail art, crocheting and DIY videos. Please do take a moment and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it for notification. It will really mean a lot if you would subscribe. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create this beautiful blue and pink eye makeup look. Actually, this is the inspiration behind this is Huda Beauty's new Retrograde palette. So here is the dupe for it. So I'm going to use Wet n Wild's concealer in the shade medium beige, and I'm going to blend it well so that the shadows that goes on after that don't budge. So blend it well, and then I'm going to use Colourpop's setting powder in the shade translucent, and I'm going to set that in place. So this is my inspiration for the eye makeup look today. So she was launching the new Retrograde palette, Mercury Retrograde, but I'm going to use the Huda Beauty's Electric Obsession palette to create that eye makeup look. So first I'm going to use this beautiful fuchsia pink shade, and I'm going to run it all over my crease like this, and I'm going to blend it well. Now I'm going to take a clean blending brush and I'm going to blend out the edges so that it looks nice light pink in shade. I don't want that bright pink color. So again I'm going to use the dark pink shade, and I'm going to place that in my socket, and I'm going to blend it well. And for that beautiful shade of blue, guys, I'm going to use the same palette again, and I'm going to use my fingers to first apply that shade. Look how beautiful that shade is. So once I'm done, I'm going to use a nice brush, flat shader brush, and I'm going to place this color all over my lid like this. This is a very simple and easy eye makeup look. I hope you'll enjoy watching this. Next I'm going to work on my eyebrows, and for that I'm going to use Sugar's Brow Definer in Jerry Brown. I'm just going to fill in the sparse areas of my brows, you know the drill. Under eye circles, I'm going to use LA Girl's Pro Conceal in the shade orange and pure beige, and I'm going to mix that and create a salmon shade, and I'm going to blend it well wherever there's darkness. I'll set that with a translucent powder. So after that I'm going to work on my liner. I'm going to use Inglot Gel Liner in number 77, and I'm going to create a beautiful small little wing. I'm going to use LA Girl's Pro Conceal in the shade medium beige, and I'm going to use it over my dark circles to conceal them, and then set that with a translucent powder. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to use Maybelline Gigi Hadid's Kohl liner in black, and I'm going to run it both on my upper and lower waterline. Now to smoke out that lower lash line, I'm going to use that beautiful shade of fuchsia pink, and I'm going to blend it well on my lower lash line. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to use Balm's Cosmetic Mary Luminizer as my brow bone highlight, and I'll also going to use the same into my inner corner. Now I'm going to curl my lashes and apply a good coat of Maybelline's Hyper Curl Volume Express Mascara. If you want, you can go ahead and add falsies if you would like to. This is the final look, you guys. Do let me know in the comment section below if this is the same dupe to the look that Huda Beauty had on the interview page, or I think for the launch of the Retrograde palette. And if you enjoy watching this tutorial, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please guys, share, like, comment, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook as well. There are many more tutorials on my YouTube channel, so don't forget to check that out. Until next time, take care. Bye.